3D in Illustrator. 3D in Illustrator. Create a 3D in Illustrator is very simple. First, you must know you have your 3D windows here, 3D and material. If you click on it, your 3D windows will come out. Okay, you can take it, go there and grab it here. You have your 3D windows here. Okay, the basic of 3D is, first you create a shape, second you add 3D type. You can add plane, extrude, revolve and flat. First, plane is to keep it in the same style, tip, in the same appearance, and add some orientation here. Plane, change orientation, maybe isometric left, isometric right. If I create a rectangle, okay, I add plane, I can change isometric top. Okay, I can duplicate it, isometric right. Okay, okay, duplicate it, isometric left, and have this design. Okay, this is a first way to create a 3D. Just create and add the plane option. Now the extrude, if you do one click on it, you have your depth where you can increase or decrease it like that, and we have those options to roll cap. Let me change position like that, and you can choose that you want increase. It is very simple. You create a shape, you add one of them here, you go to material to add a material. You have many material by default. You don't have to add it, but sometimes you want to add a material. Okay, and when you add a material, you can go down to edit the material property. Okay, here I want to repeat those design. Okay, change color. Okay, go down. You have many options, but after change color and add material, sometimes you can go and continue. After that, you can go there to lighting, where you can decrease or increase the light intensity, or you can go here, do one click to check this to add a shadow. Your shadow can be below or behind. If I choose below, I can go to rotation to rotate it and change the position like that. Increase the weights, the height of my shadow, or decrease it like that. Okay, increase intensity of my light. Okay, this is your 3D basic creation. Okay, first you create a shape, second you add your object 3D type here, I can create another shape, and if I go there, I create a star here. I can click on inflate, okay, and I have this inflate option. If I inflate both sides, okay, I can decrease, okay. And if you want to move it, change the orientation, you can go to the center, hold your click and move it. It is the same for those designs. Go to the center and move it like that, okay. Go to the center and move it, okay, nice. So we will create many different 3D art in practice to understand how it works. Okay, this is the basic. First you create a shape, second you add a material, you add an object type, you can change orientation, you add a material, and you add your lighting with this option. Okay, fine. Now let's go to the practice. We have finished with all explanation about senior, so let's go for pro to create a nice design and very different practice.